I am a proud Cal Poly graduate from the Industrial Engineering Department. And what I think is so valuable about the degree is that you take the engineering fundamentals and you can speak to the engineers, but you also have the business side as well. So you understand the impact of the engineering projects to the business. And so I think it's a way to really merge the two to be marketable in industry. And it's led to my almost 20-year successful career in quality engineering at Stryker, where I get to make healthcare better every day.
When I needed a senior project for Cal Poly, I found a semiconductor manufacturing facility down in Newport Beach, California. And by the time I had finished that project, I had gotten a job offer for full-time employment from this company. And it really just demonstrated the value that we learned by doing philosophy of Cal Poly, that I was able to hit the ground running and start delivering results right away.
I found a tremendous amount of value in my degree. Predominantly, and first off, it got me hired. And that is because of the projects. The projects, and specifically IME 312, the database project, was what I used to pitch the company that ultimately hired me, that I've been with for 12 years.
The project that I did in my process improvement fundamentals class, where I got to do a time study in a warehouse and helping understand their processes, directly got me an internship with the Disneyland Resort and working to solve problems in their warehouse. They saw that on my resume. They saw me being able to speak to that, and they had a project in mind for me when I showed up.
I was qualified to work in capacity planning, supply chain, manufacturing, all the disciplines that we're taught here at Cal Poly.
Be able to have those specific experiences in those projects is what gave me the leg up in the interview process.
What's even more important about your college experience is Cal Poly.
The group project work was really key and important and special here. I also think the university as a whole is special. I spent time as an orientation leader. I spent time in the marching band. There's so many different ways that you can participate in the school.
Cal Poly and the Industrial Engineering Department encouraged, taught, and gave me the confidence to go off and search for that gray area where problems exist. And because of that appetite for and confidence in solving problems and the tools that came with that, I've been able to solve a number of problems that have had a big influence and created additional opportunity for me to grow within my career.